What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow mo.
Keeping the lights off because it's hot, but almost as hot as this. So yes, the bike is completed. Yes, it's done. Yes, I can ride it. Yes, we should probably take it out and go have some fun. But I ain't done yet. I'm not done yet because it's still a few things that I want on this bike. I'm going to put them all on before I go out having fun again. I'm keeping myself held accountable for the things that I want, but damn, she look good, don't she? Violence is back with more violence. Violence is back with more violence, y'all. Y'all, what's up? We have completed the project to the point that I'm okay with getting it outside. And when it's outside, let's take this opportunity to clean the goddamn garage up, because the garage has been an absolute mess. And I think Jeff might be pretty close to getting my RX-7 done, and it's about time for that to come home. So we got to clean up everything before the RX-7 comes home, and just to make this thing look a little bit more presentable, a little bit cleaner, and get all the junk out the way. The junk that we don't need, the junk that might still need to be dissected from usable OEM parts and or parts that I could even, who knows, keep for spares or sell. So that's what we're about to do right now. I got all of the joints outside. Ain't that a good look? But anyway, let me clean up this garage and start to get everything back in order here, and then I'll bring the bikes back inside. All right, got most of the stuff clean. It's funny, when you organize stuff, you find out how much stuff you buy but never use. And it's like every time I go to Craig and I buy a bulk amount of brake cleaners and engine degreasers, and it's like I got this whole box of them that I never use. Oh, matter of fact, yeah, this is chain lube. Let me hit the bikes with this, actually. But yeah, garage is all right. It's all right. It ain't perfect. I'm not gonna get perfection until I get the RX-7 back and I get these boxes out of here. I gotta get these whole big ass joints out of here. I did buy a gaggle of, this is all Yamaha OEM shit. All of this is genuine Yamaha stuff. The only thing I couldn't really find, like, this is all OEM Yamaha shit, and I didn't even need to use this. I kind of found that as a theme on things that I was ordering on the fly. Like, there's so many Ram air tubes. I've got a ton of them. I think I ordered like 4 different ones because each one came with one thing that I thought I needed. If I had have fully dissected the first night, all of the plastics, I would have found out I had everything that I needed. The part that was looking completely broken and destroyed, it was 2 pieces, a top side and a bottom side. The bottom side was fine, the top side was destroyed. And I ordered the top side parts individually, so I had everything I needed already. And I just ordered tons. I still got some more stuff coming in. Same thing, the ram air setup. But I got the whole ram air together. I got all the covers together. Only thing I don't like is this texture. I like that. That's OEM. This isn't. So I don't like that texture. But I mean, maybe I don't know, get carbon fiber, because they do have just this part carbon fiber, and I can get that because this is OEM texture, this is OEM texture, this needs to be OEM texture the same, or I'll just get it in carbon fiber. So other than that, the bike is complete. Violence is rebuilt. Like I said, yo, I'm not really one to show you every little intricate piece. Obviously, I could have shown y'all every single intricate piece, but I don't think that makes for the most excitement. I think that makes for sometimes you'd be like, come on, fam, like hurry up and get that shit done, right? And so that's why I don't show those little teeny tiny things. The bike was destroyed rear and front. We've got the whole back end done. We got the whole front end done. The mid was okay. This even is okay. I'm probably gonna leave that because ironically, all of the cases, this comes as an individual case, that comes as an individual case, and on the other side, which we have that's still good, that comes as an individual. I only need this one. That's out of stock. And I can get GB or other brands, but I don't want to have mismatch on both sides. Plus, all of my covers are Pro Fiber. The engine covers are Pro Fiber. I just want to keep everything uniformed. Pro Fiber, Pro Fiber, Pro Fiber. I'm gonna wait for them to get those back in. Hopefully he makes a batch and I get a replacement. But this is fine. It's still protected, but it's just scarred up. I really like this. This whole area is now clean. No pegs hanging off. The pegs would have been hanging out right here. That's all gone. This area is cleared up. Looks really good. Had this bracket. I forgot the company, but it's from Australia. The M4 exhaust looks really good. Love the carbon tips on the polished back. You're not gonna get the whole idea with the polished exhaust pieces until I do the lower belly pan. Once the lower belly pan gets in, you're gonna be able to see the whole idea that I was going for, and we're gonna be good to go. I should put the rubber plugs here that was actually keeping the exhaust from hitting the tail, but you can see how much smaller this exhaust is. It's not needed, but I should get something, a plug or something to cover that up, at least to fill that hole. All of the pieces that were missing hardware before that I didn't have on there before, it's all on there now. Damn, this is how you test your tire, see if it's good. Good God, look at that. Oh my God, and it's, oh my God. For y'all that don't ride Dunlops, what are you doing? I fucking love these Q4s, man. Let's see, do the Q3s do the same thing? Yo, y'all gotta ride Dunlop. So now, completed bike is done. Still not gonna ride it yet. I love it. I really like my lineup, y'all. What y'all think? Do I have all the bases covered or nah? What else do I need here? I have a twin. I got the 4-banger. I got the 4-banger cross plane. I got 3, 6, 1. What else do we need, yo? Old stuff, I got that in the back. Classic shit, I got that in the back. Damn, I like the lineup. Anyway, yo, with Violence completed, y'all let me know in the comments how you think she looks so far. And we're gonna finish this once the last couple parts come in. And we gotta take it to Pro Style Wrap so they could do my vision on this plain blank canvas. I think you're gonna like it. I know I'm gonna like it. So y'all stay tuned, man. But on that one, we out.
No, son.
I thought I was done, but a package came earlier in the morning. I had Jalen go to the porch and get it, but I never checked it. But it was what I was waiting on. So we got some Velocity Stack extenders, and we got a new filter. All of that's done. The top of the air box has all of the injectors, the top of the rail of the fuel injectors that spray down into the Velocity Stacks. I may not know if you're used to older bikes or just standard bikes that don't have a lot of tech. These Velocity Stacks, they extend at certain points of time in the RPM so that if the fuel is spraying down in it, the atomization, you know what? Too much science. But yes, new filter. Everything is done now on this bike. I really just need just that gauge cover to clear up that foggy ass brake fluid damage gauge cover. I did have one from the old Kawasaki. Took it apart, just practiced to make sure that there was nothing extra that needed to go with it. So I'm ready. Whenever that comes in, we'll get that taken care of. Stripped some of this off the tail. I'm gonna leave this on the tank for a second, just because that was such a good damn job that was done on that. So we're ready to roll. A couple things that I'm looking for in the future is I'm going to end up with another brake reservoir, and I want to get the remote adjuster. Have y'all seen the line that comes across that has a knob right here? And you can go ahead and twist and adjust instead of adjusting your brakes right there. That's going to come way, way, way further down the line after more track day action. And I've also been thinking about rear sets. I don't know, a lot of thoughts. But now, let me just end this before I start talking into a whole nother damn video. That's going to be 2 for real. And we out.